Some places are built, others are discovered. A place where luxury isn't just inside your home, it's all around you. Spread across 22 acres, this exclusive gated community will feature 72 thoughtfully crafted ultra-luxury villas, designed for those who seek more than just a home. Every beam, every column, every detail is built with precision, transforming architectural vision into timeless living spaces. At the heart of the community stands a magnificent 50,000 square foot clubhouse, crafted to become the social and recreational center of this exceptional neighborhood. Some luxuries cannot be built, they can only be preserved. A magnificent 150-year-old banyan tree stands right next to the clubhouse. The future is no longer imagined, it is being built, one extraordinary home at a time. A destination inspired by nature. Possession by December 2026.